actress Nancy Isime marks 33rd birthday with a heartfelt celebration, revealing her journey to becoming a homeowner. Nancy is one of Nollywood's most talented actors and has starred in several blockbusters, including Everybody Loves Jennifer, Blood Sisters, Cambili, among several others. Sharing the news on her social media platform, she reflected on her humble beginnings, growing up in an uncompleted building with no flooring, ceilings, or running water. At 17, she began working to fulfill a promise to herself to first help her father build his dream home. On December 18, 2022, I gave my dad the keys to his fully completed and furnished dream home, she shared. 1 year later, she achieved her own dream. On December 15, 2023, I received the keys and papers to my dream home, she wrote, ascribing her success to God's guidance, faith, and obedience to his word. She expressed gratitude, crediting God's blessings, grace, and obedience to his word for her achievements. Which of the Lord's blessings can I deny? None, she wrote, reflecting on her humble beginnings and God's favors that has transformed her life. This week is not just for me, but also for young girls and boys who find their story in mind. Keep pushing, keep walking in faith and obedience, she added. The actress called on her followers to join her in celebrating her Jesus year and thanking God for her remarkable journey. Nancy's story has ignited widespread congratulatory messages all over her comments and also inspiring many with proof that hard work, faith, and strength makes dreams come true. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment and lifestyle stories.